Welcome to the Vermont Concerned Citizen channel. We are a patriotic American community, and please consider supporting us on Patreon. Thank you.
Oh, to the borders, Vermonters, come down with your breeches of deerskin and jackets of brown, with your red woolen caps and your moccasins. Come to the gathering summons of trumpet and drum. Come down with your rifle.
Okay, got a package here from Primary Arms. El Capitan. It's 2 stripes. Let's open it up and see what we got. So hard to find ammo. I've been meaning to do this before, so I'm doing it now. Lower parts kits. I ordered this one last month. Here it is, September 4th, 5th, something like that. Anyways, it came in the mail. So, got this from Palmetto. Yeah, right. Primary Arms. I got Palmetto State Armory on the brain. Seems like every 2 of my ARs are Palmetto. So, anyways. It was $13 plus $8 shipping, so it was like, I think I had a discount code, so I got it for like $20 shipped to the door. But let's get this out of there and see what it really is. This is the EXPO Arms AR15 small part kits. Consists of all the little parts that needed to, that tend to fail and go missing while building AR15. It includes a hammer spring, trigger spring, 2 of those, hammer trigger pins, disconnector springs 2. Takedown pivot pin detents 2, takedown pivot pin springs, safety detent, magazine release, bolt catch plunger, bolt catch roll pin, bolt catch spring, buffer retainer spring, trigger guard roll pin. What I was more worried about was the hammer springs, the trigger springs. Something breaks, it's probably going to be one of those out in the field. There you go, those little detent things. I had one of these go launching across the room when I was building mine. Gotta buy a tool for those. There's the springs. That's mostly what I wanted right there. This is the springs. But I got the pins, detents, that's not bad. So anyways, probably gonna pick up a couple more of these since there's an ammo shortage. It's almost impossible to get ammo. Might as well get the parts kits, because if you know Kamala Harris and Joe Biden, what they're doing, they want all sales of anything and everything, accessories, parts, repair items, slides, custom barrels, grips, triggers, everything outlawed, no longer for sale, no longer mail ordered. There you go, stick it back in there. I could stick this in my plate carrier behind the trauma pad to go against the body. It may not be comfortable. Anyways, I'll find a place somewhere in the body armor thing to keep it so it doesn't get shot, but got the parts readily available on hand in case you need them. Shit hits the fan. You are your first and last line of defense. Keep that powder dry. Be safe. Stay armed. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification for future videos.
Who can handle the sword and the scythe and the pen? Hurrah for Vermont, for the land that we till, must have sons to defend her from valley and hill. Our vow is recorded, our banner unfurled, in the name of